To apply the water wave loading on the jacket structure, you will have to split the faces. The reason is, if you go to stress analysis and when you try to apply the force, even if you go to Nastran, whenever you try to apply the force, you will have to select the whole face instead of a specific dimension. So if you want to select a specific area on the face, then you have to split the faces according to the requirement. So to split the face, the first thing you need to do is to double click on the frame. Now you will be able to treat the frame as an individual component. You can double click on the vertical beam to treat the vertical beam as an individual part. Now, so to split the face, the first thing you need to do is to start a 2D sketch. In order to start the 2D sketch, you need a working plane. To get the plane on this circular area, because this is a tube, you need a work plane which is tangent to the circular tube. So from your work planes here, X, Z, Y, Z, select the appropriate one. So if you are applying loading from this direction, so you may select YZ plane so that you can split the face from the YZ area. So YZ plane, and just hover on top of your vertical beam and you will be able to specify to a tangent point to make the working plane. So if you look at it from the side, you see the working plane has been made. So this is your work plane, the yellowish area. So you will be able to draw something on this work plane here. Now click on Start 2D Sketch, select the work plane to make a rectangle. So for example, right now you have been specified to split the face or to apply the loading at only 30 meters height. So you can just make any width of the rectangle and ensure the height of the rectangle is 30 meters. Press tab and then just enter 30 meters and enter. So that's your 30 meters high rectangle. Click on Move command, select it, select the whole sketch, pick it from the base point, and now you can just drop it here. In order to we can't just randomly drop this. We have to ensure that we are going outside a little bit of the geometry so that we can slice the whole face on the front. Click on Done, and now your tool has been made to split the face. So after this, finish the sketch, click on Split Face, select the tool, and this is the tool, the rectangle you have just made, and select Face, and just select the face of the vertical beam, press OK, and it will be split into two parts now. You can turn the visibility of this work plane off, or you can even delete it. So now you have divided this vertical beam into two individual faces. You will have to repeat the same thing for the other side. In order to do that, just go click Return, save it. Double click on the vertical beam plane. Click plus sign in the origin. Ensure you're selecting the appropriate plane. Select the plane tangent to the surface. Once you have made your working plane, start 2D sketch. Select the edge of the plane to make the sketch. Project the geometry, because as you can see in this case it is going a little bit downwards. Ensure you have made your tool, which would be of any width, but the height needs to be very specific, 30 meters. Press enter, move it, pick it from the base point, and you can just drop it at the end point there. done. Click on finish the sketch. Click on split faces. Select the tool. Press OK and turn the visibility of the work plane off. And you will be able to see that it has been divided into two separate faces. Return again. You may have to repeat the same thing for the top plate, as you have to apply loading at a very specific area. So in order to do that, double click on the top plate and you will be able to treat the top plate as an individual component now. Start 2D sketch on top of this top plate, and the area which has been specified to you guys is around 3 meters. You can just make a radius for 3 meters. This is just an example. You're going to use the area which has been specified to you guys. Finish the sketch. You can just make this radius of any size and click on split. Select the tool and then just select the face. That's OK, and you have split this component into two faces. Click on return. Now you will be able to apply the stress analysis again. So go back to environments, and let's say we apply the stress analysis in Inventor first.